Okay, I'm back over here. I got my bigger pole out, my short pole out with a pin reel. And I put a drop shot on with a 6-ounce weight. Doesn't look like it was enough, but I got a pretty big sunfish on there sitting down here in the rocks, waiting for a big flathead or something to come pick it out. Hopefully they'll get it. Now it's just a waiting game. Yet, so this guy that was fishing right here just gave me a handful of baby shad, so I'll put one of those on for bait right down here off the end. Hopefully there'll be a good sized catfish moving around right here pretty soon. I hope so. It's been slow and we've been here for over an hour already and no bites. Just losing bait. Latch into something. That looks like an alligator gar. Yep. Yep, big old nasty alligator gar. Oh no, that's another Hybyrd gar.
Oh, that's the one.
This thing got really roughed up on the rocks, dude.
We wanted to watch.
You don't see these Hybyrd gar very often. This guy's pretty interesting. He's got the spots, the color of a spotted gar, with the head of a alligator gar. Right in the eyes. Don't let him get out of here. No, I'm just trying to get the sand out of my eyes so I can get him off, dude.
First fish at all today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's a crocodile fish.
It's an alligator gar. Sorry, sucker. Got sand right in my eyes.
We're killing it.
No, we're not killing it. We're letting it go.
Just let him. He'll get in the water.
He's being stupid violent.
Get him soon.
All right, back in the water. Bite. Got him. Got one. Oh no, I think he got off. Oh, he got off. No, it's a little one. It's a little one, Emmer. I thought he got off for a second. Ow. He poked me with his tail. He's so small.
Yeah. Hey, bro.
We got a lot of these gar around here, these Hybyrd gar. I got quite a bit of them.
Pretty, bro.
Isn't it?
Take a picture of him.
Well, we got a picture right here, look. Got a video.
Look at that guy.
It's the same thing, right?
He's little.
It's like a whole bunch of pictures. Look, he's got a parasite right there, too. Tiny little parasite stuck to him. Right there, look at that little weird parasite. Crazy. We gotta let him go. Here, let him go. Look at those teeth sticking out at the end. Ooh, he didn't like that. Look. Throw him back. There he goes. You mean catch the fish? I didn't know you were down here. Didn't know you were back yet.
Well, no, you said it right when I got here.
Oh, we're gonna get we're gonna leave soon, or we're gonna try to get some more fish.
Try to get some more fish.
I don't think we need to be here too much longer.
Well, when it gets a little more night.
I don't know if they're gonna bite much more. But we'll try for a few more.